Let's harvest this Russian garlic or elephant garlic. I plant this April 25 after Anzac Day, because that's really good timing for Australian to plant it. So I planted April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 7 months. Supposed to be garlic going on harvest 8 months or 9 months, but look, everything is pulling off that way, and I already removed all the escape where the garlic going to flower. I removed that from them already, and look, hence they are here. So this bed is all about Russian garlic. The other bed is different, like purple garlic. So that's it, Australian garlic. This is Russian garlic or elephant garlic. Look at this. Look at that. Huge. And I'm so glad I planted this last year. Should we recommend this? Oh yeah, absolutely. Look at this, guys. I'm not joking. It's really, really good. Oh my god, it's so excited. And all this mushroom is come out from the compost. So let's gonna go this again. Look at this. It probably harvest this December, which is 7, 9, 8 months, 9 months. But then maybe they will crack, because I read in a book about the garlic thing. If you let them too long in the soil or in your bed frame or in your ground, whatever, in your pot, they will gonna get cracked, and it will affect the curing system, meaning it won't last long. So don't wait for too long and get into it now. 7, 8 months. This one is some more. OMG. And look at this Nile slugs. They really, really love to suck them. That's another one problem. So this one I will probably plant this again next year. I'll see. Will of the Lord. Thank you, garden. Thank you, Lord, for this gardening, and I learned so much this year, last year and this year. Thank you to my sweet love, my babe, for always go on the go with me while I'm learning things about this organic stuff. Thank you, my love, my sweet love, my guwapo, my palangga ko.